Hi friends, it's Liam. Today we're going to learn about greetings in Papiamento. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, press that like button now and get all the lessons update. Let's begin. Today we will start with parts of the day: morning, afternoon, and night. Morning in Papiamento is mainta. Mainta. Afternoon in Papiamento is à tarde. À tarde. Night in Papiamento is à noite. À noite. Now, let's learn how to greet a friend in the part of the day. In the morning we say bom dia. Bom dia. In the afternoon, we say bom tarde. Bom tarde. At night, we say boa noite. Boa noite. Yes. Good morning is bom dia. Good afternoon is bom tarde. And good night is boa noite. Bom dia. Bom tarde. Boa noite. When you arrive on Curaçao, Aruba, or Bonaire, they will say bombini. Bombini. Bombini is welcome. Let's say we arrive at the market and we see a friend and we want to say how are you? We say conta bem, Ana? Yes. How are you, Anna? Conta bem is how are you? Conta bem. To say I'm good, thank you, we say me tá bom, danke. Me tá bom, danke. Me tá bom, danke is I'm good, thank you. So, let's recap all the words we have learned today. I will say the word in English and you will say it in Papiamento. Ready? Good morning is bom dia. Bom dia. Good afternoon is bom tarde. Bom tarde. Good night is boa noite. Boa noite. Good job. Now we meet in a shop. What do you say to me in Papiamento? Conta bem. Conta bem. How are you? And I will say, me tá bom, danke. Me tá bom, danke. Wow, you learned really fast. Keep practicing the words so you can pronounce them better. In the next video, we're going to learn about days of the week. Subscribe on my channel and like this video so you can get all the learning videos we have. And don't forget to stay sharp and learn something new every day.